They dangle a life you've only seen in movies, a life of effortless wealth, freedom from the 9-to-5 grind, days spent on yachts instead of in cubicles. This is the promise whispered into the digital void by the modern financial Svengali, the fake trading guru. And people listen. They listen because finance feels like an exclusive club, and gurus claim to have the key. They offer a shortcut through the dense forest of charts, indicators, economic reports. The appeal is primal, it's the allure of a lottery ticket, but it feels smarter because you're following a proven system. This deep-seated desire for a simpler path creates fertile ground for deception. It's a market inefficiency. But instead of stock prices, these operators exploit human hope. They know most people don't want to spend a decade learning the trade, risk management, market psychology. They want an answer. Now. Before we dive into the specific red flags, you need to understand the playbook. The tactics used by fake trading gurus are not new. They are timeless sales tricks repurposed for the social media age, designed to short-circuit your critical thinking and trigger an emotional response. Curated lavish lifestyle, private jets, designer watches, infinity pools overlooking tropical paradises. These are not byproducts of trading. They are marketing assets. They weaponize social proof. Staggering balances, unbroken win streaks. A screenshot is not data. Easy to manipulate. Stories of losses disappear. New accounts reappear with wins. Ecstatic students. But are they real, actors, or affiliates? Lack of verifiable identity is a hallmark. Scarcity and urgency. Classic pressure to bypass homework. Professionals present value and let you decide. Fake gurus force a clock. They sell secrets. Reality: there are no secrets, only strategies, systems, risk management. Successful trading is a discipline, not a magic trick. Here it is. The red flag speed test. Don't overthink it. Rapid fire assessment. Quick reading on the person or service. If you answer yes to more than one or two, step back. Proceed with extreme caution. First, are they promising a specific or guaranteed rate of return? Biggest red flag. Markets are probabilistic, not ATMs. No professional trader, no hedge fund manager, no legitimate educator promises fixed percentage returns. Those phrases violate financial reality. Language of a marketer, not a trader. Your internal alarm should scream, simple yes or no. Second, is their track record unverifiable? Real traders show long-term third-party statements. Screenshots are not proof. Ask for read-only or verified link. Refusal is your answer. Third, high-pressure tactics. Pros are calm. Fake gurus create FOMO. If value fades with time, so does truth. Big promises with no fine print. Foundational lie, guaranteed high, consistent returns. Your mind does the math. They are selling a mathematical fantasy. Risk and return are linked. Higher returns require higher risk. There is no third option. Legends average Bapanas 20% annually, over decades, not monthly. Guaranteed profits defy logic and law. In many places, guarantees are illegal because they are impossible. Scrutinize words. These are red flags. A claim of 10% per month is a massive red flag. A real educator frames reward versus risk and accepts losses. Legitimate services warn you. Past performance. Substantial risk of loss. Absence isn't confidence, it's deception. No verifiable track record. After the promise comes the proof. Treat every screenshot as fiction until verified. You don't need Photoshop. 15 seconds can create a fortune from a loss. Demo tricks prove nothing about real capital under pressure. Real track records, long-term. At least a year across conditions. Complete. Every trade and the ugly parts. Losses, drawdowns, fees. Risk management matters most. Third-party verified. Non-negotiable. Data pulled direct. Tampering prevented. If they refuse or redirect, you have your answer. The track record is a phantom. High-pressure sales, clock ticking, spots filling, price about to double, act now. This manufactured crisis exploits a psychological loophole. Under pressure, we act impulsively. They don't want you to run the speed test or Google their name with scam. Legitimate educators are confident the value is the same next week. They invite diligence, watch free content, see if the style fits. Fake gurus rely on heat-of-the-moment FOMO because the product is thin. Extreme scarcity like only 5 students makes no economic sense for a money printer. It's artificial. Defense: Pause 24 hours. Do research. Most expiring offers magically return. No clear teaching method. If you're only given answers, you won't learn. You're dependent. Signal sellers profit from dependency. Real educators transfer skills. A real teacher explains the why and the how, step by step, and aims for your independence. Black box. Mysterious, secret outputs. Buy, sell signals via email, text, or Discord. You cannot verify the engine. It could be a coin toss. When signals stop working, and they do, you have no skill to fall back on. Real teachers give insight for free, and save transformation for paid structure. Fakes hide everything behind a paywall. If revealed, most secrets are common, simple, or ineffective. So, you ran the speed test and a guru seems to pass. Now the real work begins. Verification is slow and deliberate. Magnify everything. Be your own journalist. Search with scam, review, complaint, lawsuit. Don't stop at page 1. Be skeptical. Positive reviews vague. Negatives specific and consistent. Watch for affiliates. Analyze risk over return. A 100% return with an 80% drawdown can wipe you out. Prefer years to months. Watch how they handle tough questions. Message users politely. After fees and bad trades, did this work for you? Unvarnished feedback beats sales copy. Patterns across time tell the truth. Trading is not get rich quick. It is a craft demanding study, discipline, emotional control. Stop seeking an oracle. Seek a teacher. Embrace the process. Expect setbacks. Become the person who can build wealth, slowly and intelligently. Your action plan: run the speed test. Verify independently. Require third-party records. Focus on risk. Start small with demo or tiny capital and track months. Big promises lie. Proof is non-negotiable. Pressure means weak product. Black boxes create dependency. Opportunities abound. Your capital is finite. Trust transparent process and verifiable data. The journey is yours. Stay calm. Think critically. Verify. Your future self will thank you.